Kids,
Good morning, ma'am.
are you watching Peppa Pig regularly? Very good. In the Peppa Pig, Polly Parrot is the episode you have watched. Your teacher is ready to ask questions. You need to say the answers. Ma'am, start, ma'am.
Okay, ma'am. Prashi, who was Polly Parrot?
Grandpa Pig.
Very good.
What is that?
Grandpa
Grandpa
Pig.
Very good. Grandpa Pig.
Pig. Hasmi, what can Polly Parrot say?
I am parrot.
Very
I am
good.
the parrot. Very good.
Next, Arju, who else tried to say what Polly says? Huh?
Huh?
George and
George, Papa. George, Pig.
George and Peppa.
George and Peppa. Very good.
Next, Srikrut, what did Polly do when she saw the family? Repeated what they said.
What did they say?
Repeated what they said.
Very good. They repeated what they said. Very good.
Next, Juhi, what did Polly like to do?
What did she like to do? దానికి ఏం చేయటం అంటే ఇష్టం?
Repeat words.
Repeat. To repeat the words. Parrots will repeat the words. Do you know that?
Next,
Okay.
Sai, what happened to Polly at the end?
Saima, what happened to the Polly at the end? It's okay.
It flew away.
Flew away. Very good, Saima. Good
Next,
job.
Kavya,
Ah,
where does Polly live?
Grandpa Pig.
Very good.
where did
Grandpa Pig. Grandma.
they lived in grandpa and grandma pig? Okay. House. Okay.
Yes.
Very good.
Next, Kitama, what did Polly do in the house?
What did she do in the house?
ఏం చేస్తుంది?
ఏం చేస్తుంది కిట్టములు?
Repeated? Everything.
ప్యారెట్స్ ఏం చేస్తాయంటే మనం ఏం చెప్తే అవి రిపీట్ చేస్తాయి.
చేస్తూ
తెలుసా
ఉంటాయి.
నీకు? ప్యారెట్ ని పెంచుకుందామా మనం? ప్యారెట్ ని కేజ్ లో పెట్టొచ్చా? గుడ్ జాబ్ అది. గుడ్ జాబ్ కాదు. ప్యారెట్స్ నీలాగా ఆడుకోవాలి బయట.
Next,
కేజ్
Mona,
లో పెట్టకూడదు.
who did not like Polly repeating words?
Peppa and George.
Peppa and
Peppa and
George.
George. Very good.
Next, how did Grandpa Pig feel about Polly, Mona?
How did he feel? Laughed. They laughed. Okay. Very good. You have done a good job. Clap yourselves. Watch it regularly and try to answer my questions. Okay. Clap yourselves.